You are giving Claude a brain, and most people using Claude right now have no idea this feature exists. Claude Projects launched and is available to all Claude users, including free accounts. Claude Projects is a self-contained workspace with its own chat history, its own knowledge base, and its own set of custom instructions. Think of it as a version of Claude that already knows your job, your tone, your context, and your rules before you type a single word. Here's what that means in practice. Every time you start a new chat without a project, you are starting from zero. Claude knows nothing about you. You re-explain your role, your format preferences, your terminology, your audience. You are burning tokens and burning time. Projects eliminate this. One setup, permanent memory, zero re-explaining. Step 1. Create your first project. Go to Claude.ai, click Projects in the left sidebar, and click New Project. Give it a name that describes the job. Content writer, customer support, code reviewer, whatever you actually do. This takes about 15 seconds. Step 2. Write your project instructions. This is the system prompt that runs on every single chat inside this project. Be precise. State your role. State your output format. State what Claude should never do. For example, you are a senior copywriter for a B2B SaaS product. Output format? Bullet points, unless I ask for prose. Tone? Direct, confident, no filler phrases. Never use the phrase delve into. That instruction now lives inside every chat. You never say it again. Step 3. Upload your knowledge base. Projects let you upload documents, text files, code, PDFs, anything that gives Claude context. Upload your brand guidelines. Upload your one-pager. Upload your FAQs. Upload examples of past work you want Claude to match. On paid plans, Claude uses RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, to search across documents that exceed the context window, expanding your knowledge base by up to 10x. Step 4. Test it. Open a new chat inside the project and ask something that requires all that context. Ask Claude to write a product email. It should nail your tone, reference your product, and follow your format without a single extra instruction from you. If it misses something, update the project instructions. This is a system, not a one-shot prompt. Step 5. Share it with your team. On team and enterprise plans, you can share projects with specific teammates by email or make them available organization-wide. The permissions work cleanly. Can use lets teammates chat inside the project without editing the setup. Can edit lets trusted collaborators update the instructions and knowledge base. This means one person builds the project, the whole team benefits. The real unlock? Perplexity Computer Skills. If you use Perplexity Computer, the AI assistant behind this channel, it has its own skills library, which is the same concept applied to a much deeper automation layer. Skills tell the AI exactly what to do, in what format, with what logic for a specific recurring task. The automation workflows you have seen this channel run all week, the production cron, the publish cron, the analytics cron, all run on skills that define behavior precisely. The payoff? Stop training your AI from scratch on every session. The professionals winning with AI right now are not the ones using the best prompts in a single chat. They're the ones who built systems, projects, skills, structured instructions that accumulate intelligence over time. That is what this week is about. Subscribe and follow along. All week, we go deeper into Claude skills and projects.